A very good afternoon, everybody. We are working with abstract method in Java. As you have seen in our previous chapters, we have completed abstract class and also given a brief introduction about abstract method. We have also worked on static and dynamic binding, polymorphism, types of polymorphism. A method without body, no implementation is known as abstract method. A method must always be declared in an abstract class, or in other words, you can say that if a class has an abstract method, it should be declared abstract as well. In the last tutorial, we have discussed abstract class. Now, let us have a check how we declare an abstract method. This is how we declare an abstract method. You can see that there is no body. Now, abstract methods don't have body. They just have method signature as shown above. If a class has an abstract method, it should be declared as an abstract. The vice versa is not true, which means an abstract class doesn't need to have an abstract method compulsory. If a regular class extends an abstract class, then class must have to implement all the abstract methods to abstract parent class, or it has to be declared abstract as well. Abstract methods in abstract class. You can see that this is an abstract class and this is an abstract method. This is a regular method and there is no abstract keyword. So it has a definition. These two abstract methods don't have a definition. They are just the declaration. Now when we are extending this, these abstract methods, those we have declared above, sum of 2, sum of 3, sum of 2, sum of 3 are defined in the child class. Now let us have a look to the abstract class in interface. We are also going to discuss interface separately in our next chapters. Now, interface is generally used for multiple inheritance. We have an abstract method. We do not need to mention public and abstract in interface as well. All the methods in interface are public and abstract by default. So the compiler will treat this as a public abstract multiply 3. This is the function name. In this you can see that we have the return type and then we have different parameters. Regular or concrete methods are not allowed in an interface. So if I uncomment this method, you will get a compilation error. Now let us have a look to class demo. In this we have defined functions, then we have defined this function. This is all about abstract methods. For better understanding, we have explained interface in our next chapters.